Hello, good morning, everybody. I'm just gonna go over this morning's price action and what I was seeing during the time that I was trading. Again, the video is muted because of my background at the time. So I'm doing a voiceover just to go over what was going through my head while I'm showing you the recording of my trade this morning. I didn't actually take the trade, I was tape reading. And if I am supposed to be completely honest, I did saw a trade opportunity in the moment that it was being or that it was happening. However, I was in ICT's live stream this morning and it kind of swayed my my trade idea, or it kind of gave me a little bit of doubt in the trade idea. And that's completely on me. This is not on my mentor. I do recall him telling us in the past that we should not trade while we're watching him or any other live stream because it can affect our decisions. And that's kind of what happened to me this morning on this trade. I saw the opportunity. It is something that I normally would take. However, there were two factors that affected me from taking this trade. And if I am to be completely honest, I'm not entirely upset about missing the trade because when I look back, the reasons I didn't take the trades were valid. If you watch my previous video, not the day before, the video before the last video on the channel, you'll see that I did take a loss, and that was because I had previous days low below my entry because I was expecting a retracement, but being that there was a previous day low below me, I did journal that I don't want to take trades when I have previous days low or previous days high in the opposite direction of where my trade is, because price could easily trade, pull back, and just run straight to there. So that was another reason I did not take the trade. This is where I was highlighting the order block that I saw. That's normally my trade entry, so I'm just highlighting it because I wanted to see if it would work out and I wanted to screenshot it and journal it. This was me framing my risk. That was also another factor why I wouldn't have taken the trade. The risk parameter would be super high. However, I could put my stop above consequent encouragement, which is what I normally do. And it would have worked out. But again, the reason I think I lost my trade a day or two ago was because I entered the trade and there was previous days low below my trade. So I was trying to long and there was previous days low within striking distance of my trade entry. So I did take notes on that and that's why I didn't. Here I was looking for another reason to enter the short because I was looking for shorts. However, we had a breakaway gap, so I'm like, I can put my stop right there and enter because being that we moved away from it, I'm not expecting price to trade back to it. However, again, because previous day's high is above me and I was in the live stream kind of listening to the pool of liquidity that was above us, I wasn't entirely comfortable taking the short idea, but I was just pleased that I was able to see it real time. I saw that immediate rebalance right there, and I'm like, that's also an opportunity I could take and put my stop right at the breakaway gap. I'm expecting that it wouldn't trade back to it, and then I'll target the relative equal lows. That's really what my trade idea was, and it ended up working out, but I did not get to take a trade on it. I did not trade yesterday because I had a lot of stuff to do, so I wasn't on the market yesterday. And this morning I didn't take this trade, I just tapered it because of the factors that I outlined. So I will let you guys enjoy watching the rest of the video. And in all, I'm happy with my decision because practicing good habits is really what my focus is and not the outcome. Because if I won this, I wouldn't look at it as a win, I would look at it as a lucky trade because of the stays high above me. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I will let you watch the rest of the video. Have a great rest of the day.